Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm PassioKnit Kelsie and welcome to another very passionate vlog. This vlog doesn't have any sort of specific plan. I have multiple things to do, so you know how it goes. Last time we wrote a pattern and that's good. I've sold a couple of them, like 10, 20, I don't know, something like that. We have some scrunchie orders to pack. We have other orders. Right now, currently, I have an order for a custom cardigan, 2 custom tops, a ruffle top, and a peekaboo top, but with no hole in it. So, a regular top, I don't know. And then the rest of my orders are scrunchies. So, welcome. Well, okay, first I got some mail that I wanted to show you guys. So one of them I opened already, so I'll show you that one. And then the other one I got in the mail, so we can open it together. So first I got this tote bag here. It has my PassioKnit granny square design on it. It's pretty nice quality, I like it. It is a canvas tote bag, it's navy blue. I like that it has like sewn in like flat side and bottom. I like this better than like when they take 2 square pieces of canvas and they just sew it together flat. So there's that. That comes from my merch store, which is on Bonfire. You should be able to find it on YouTube. It might be in the video description. It might be on my channel under the store tab. Either way, yeah. Bonfire. This should be the same thing, it's just not colored in. Yeah. I got myself a big, comfy sweatshirt because, I mean, if you watch my videos, I'm wearing big, comfy sweatshirts all the time. So, here it is. Shall we? It's printed on a Gildan. This brand, Gildan. Yeah, I got an extra large. I wanted it to be roomy and comfortable on purpose, so I love it. Look at me. Carry these 2 together. Love. I would keep this on, but I am warm today. Also, I should wash it for sure. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna pack these scrunchie orders that we have to get them out of the way. First one is for Amy, and we have 2 of the Coral Haze scrunchies, and then a mystery scrunchie pair. So I got this one and this other black one with a pink center. Next is an order for Alexandria. We have 2 of our Blue Brilliance scrunchies, and then 2 of the Coral Haze scrunchies. And last is an order for Tamala, and we have 2 of our Coral Haze scrunchies. There we go. And we sold out of the Coral Haze scrunchies, so I need to take those off of my website. Something that we do need to do is take some pictures and put newer scrunchies on the website, because I just made scrunchies with this new yarn. Well, it's new to me, never made scrunchies with it before, but they are black sparkle scrunchies. Look at them. So let's take pictures of those real quick so that our Blue Brilliant scrunchies will not be alone. Very nice, very nice. Stocked. Well, hello. It is tomorrow. It's like 1 o'clock already, okay? I've been working. I haven't been working, but I've been doing stuff. Just if you watched a few of my last vlogs, Terry has been in and out of the vet recently. He had blood work done because he was going to get a dental procedure, and then he went and got his dental procedure, and he's been on pain meds. He's had a cone and stuff like that for a while. We just went back to do his like check-in after the dental procedure, and his teeth are fine, but he's developed sort of a rash type thing around his mouth, cheeks, chin area. Basically, it hasn't been fun, but he was at the vet most of the day yesterday because they wanted to take a closer look and we went and picked him up after I was filming. He was in a very bad mood, so pretty much I spent the rest of the night last night following him around, holding him, and just being a dog parent. You know, he is currently napping behind me, but he's still struggling quite a bit. We got new medication and hopefully it'll all work itself out, but I'm tired. We have more work to do, of course. We always have work to do. I need to finish up some sponsored content that I'm working on, and we also need to work on orders. I have company coming. My brother is going to be staying with me over the weekend, so I spent all morning cleaning my house. So yeah, my day today is basically just, I cleaned a lot. I'm finally sitting down to do some work. This video is supposed to be going out by Friday, which is tomorrow. I don't think that we have enough content. Sad stuff. I do have a couple things to do, so we should do those things. Let's just look. I know I got an order yesterday that we can pack. Not super surprising, it's for scrunchies. So we sold 2 of the black sparkle scrunchies that we put up for sale yesterday, and we sold 2 of the blue brilliants to go with that. So here's what my current scrunchie stock is looking like. I've been making a couple of the smoky blue, and then I paired that with what was left over of the blue brilliants around the center here, and then also the black sparkle around the center. So those will be in the mystery pile. Anyway, these 4 scrunchies are going to Amy Lee. It is already getting dark and it's only 3 o'clock. 3.9 ounces. Beautiful. Okay, now we have mail. I have 2 packages. I know what one of them is, not sure what the other one is, so let's find out together. Okay, let's see. This one, boring. This one, I ordered these because we have been getting so many scrunchie orders, individual scrunchies. So I thought we needed some more bags. No, I got 2 of them, okay. Ta-da! I got more of my small bags. Oh, I guess I got the same one twice. You guys always ask where I get my shipping bags from, and I get them from You Pack and Ship. It is the letter U, P-A-K, capital N, S-H-I-P. I believe it's a small business, but I'm not 100% sure. This is handwritten on though, with marker. And yes, I got more 6x9 poly mailers. I got 200, so they sent me 2 100 packs. These are good for scrunchies, of course, and then they also will fit like 1 extra small top or a bandana, or like, not a beanie. Beanie's a little bit too big, but I feel like I ordered these like not even too long ago, and I got a 100 pack whenever we ordered them. I definitely opened them in a vlog. Yeah, it's because I called these peace signs when they're obviously yin yang. My mind doesn't work. Anyway, I got some of these, so it's like it's a wavy purple, pink, gray pattern. Nice, nice. I think I got 200 because, like I said, I just bought these and I feel like they're already running out, but I got 100 packs, so this time I got 200. But honestly, I like buying them in smaller quantities because I like having a bunch of different colors and designs. That's just me though. They sell them all the way up to, I think, 1,000 pack, and they also have solid colors, you know, a little free promo, why not? That's it, that's all I got. Hey, it has been 2 days. I've been busy because my brother is staying with me, but he's also a teenager, so he's like stuffed away. He's probably still sleeping. It's almost 1 o'clock. But we have some things to do today, okay? We gotta finish this vlog so we can get it out by Monday. Sorry we missed Friday. You know, I didn't want to post a 5-minute video, okay? We have gotten some orders in that time, and I finished some obligations that I was working on. So now we are free. I want to make orders. First of all, scrunchies. Even though I was busy, I've been making scrunchies every night, like while I'm winding down and watching TV before bed. So our scrunchies are looking pretty good. I believe we have orders, so like these are gonna disappear, but I have some more. I made all of these last night. I'm trying to work my way through all of that velvet yarn that we bought. So looking at my sheet, we have 10 orders. I'm gonna pack everything that we can right now, and then after that, we're going to look through and start crocheting everything else. Our first order is for Amy Lee. Sir, oh, you guys wanna see Terry? He's doing well. Here he is. Tongue out and everything. He's got a donut on, but he's doing better. Amy Lee ordered a pink knit beanie. This is my last beanie that I have in stock, so maybe I should make more beanies. Although it is still like turning into summertime, so maybe not. And then she ordered 2 of our smoky blue scrunchies and 2 of the black sparkle scrunchies, so those are sold out. Next we have a pair of blue brilliant scrunchies for Ruth Ann. Now we have a pair of coral haze scrunchies. Next we have smoky blue scrunchies and a mystery pair. So I'm gonna do these 2 together for our mystery pair, and that is for Christina. Lastly, we have an order for Laura, and it is 2 blue brilliant scrunchies and then a mystery order. So we're gonna do this one and this one. All right, well, orders are packed. I have 5 scrunchies left. No, actually there's 2 more right here, but I need to take a picture of these because this is coral haze with sparkles in it, and I guess I haven't made these before, and if I have, I sold them as mystery scrunchies because I don't have a listing for these. Anyway, I'm gonna take a picture of them. I'm gonna list them on my website, stock them up, and then we will be moving on. We have 4 orders, and we've got custom top, custom cardigan, custom ruffle top, and then a custom sneak a peek top. So those will take a while. Definitely won't be able to do all that in this vlog. Looky here, we have a fresh package. It just arrived. I know it's in here. And I'm just furthering my problems. Juicy Couture is slowly but surely becoming my favorite yarn to make scrunchies with. It is just, it's so nice. The velvet yarn, it's so great. It's so soft and it works up really nice, okay? And then they had some new colors, or at least I've never seen these colors. So I was like, I have to get them. I didn't get all the new colors, but I definitely got, I got 2 of them. I just got a lot because only one of these only makes like 3.5 scrunchies. So obviously I need a lot. I got 5 skeins of this color, which is a tint of mint. Perfect. Really nice, really nice. It's a little bit more pastel in person, I think, from what I'm seeing on my screen. Beautiful. This is just so soft. It's softer than Bernat velvet, okay? And then I got 4 of these, which is color pastel lilac. Yep, yep. Ooh, very nice. I love purple. I will be making all of these into scrunchies very promptly. So they'll be in and out, in and out. I swear. Like, that's the plan, in and out, okay? Not the burger place. I will make scrunchies and sell them. So it doesn't even count, really, okay? Like, I'm actually gonna make 2 just like right now, okay? It doesn't take long. Like, what did we say? 20 minutes a piece. That's only 40 minutes. And look how nicely it matches this ponytail, okay? We gotta. Okay, cute, there we go. A hint of mint. I did take pictures of those so I can put them on my website. Now, we're gonna start working on our orders. So the first thing, we have a custom order top for Cassandra, and it is gonna be an extra large peekaboo top, but no peekaboo. We're gonna make it a little bit wider, and it's gonna be made in the color strawberry. I've had people order the peekaboo top, but no peekaboo hole, so it's basically just like a regular top. They're just wanting like the same bottom design and then the picos around it, you know? So let's make that. I'm not sure if I'll finish the whole thing today or not, but we'll see. We'll definitely be finishing this yarn. And it's the size extra large, so we should finish the second one. We're gonna have dinner, watch TV, chill. So it does look like we'll be finishing this top tonight, which is good. I wasn't sure, but I got it done. Well, I mean, I will be getting it done very shortly. All right, guys, look it, she's finished. So that is 1 order down. The next order on our list is actually a custom granny hexagon cardigan. So that's gonna take a while. I guess I could get started, but I definitely won't be finishing it within this video. It is late though, it's 9:40 p.m. This is where I'm going to call it a day and a vlog. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for being here. I gotta get this up, gotta get it going so I can start working on other videos. I'm not sure what my plan is for the rest of the week or the month. I think that we could possibly start organizing and maybe cleaning my craft room, so be on the lookout for that. A lot of people wanted a video, so I will make a video. I just don't know how soon it's gonna be, you know? But anyway, I guess that's all, and I'm gonna go to bed, and you should go to, well, I don't know what time it is for you. I hope you have a great one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!